Greg Wayman here, Foundation to Rooftop. Just wanted to show you some different type of shingles that we usually don't run into in the Omaha area. These are architectural shingles. However, the backing is organic backed, and that paper backed product absorbs a lot of water. We're in a high moisture, high humidity climate, and as a result, the moisture sticks into the backing, swells up, causes the granules to fall off in chunks. This house was also hit with hail, and this right here is probably a good hail hit. So that's adding to the issues here. Normally we find organic back shingles on 3-tab shingles around here, so it's kind of interesting. You know, they did make them in architectural, obviously, and this is probably going back to around 2000, 2001, 2002. So this is another issue here for the client to know before they go ahead with the purchase. Definitely something to negotiate for. Continuing on with the roof, I'm on a different area here, but you can see where the hail hit some of it, and then you can also see where the granules are falling off quite a lot from the deterioration of the organic back shingles. This roof is at the end of its life, and the obvious recommendation is to have a licensed roofing contractor come out to review and replace the entire roof.